Hey guys, I'm SartorialPhil. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a pretty quick unboxing of a necklace that I got from Mejuri. I think their ethos is around everyday luxury jewelry pieces, so fine jewelry at fair pricing, and that it's also ethically manufactured. I got this from the Boston Seaport store. This is the Boyfriend Bold Chain necklace. It is in 14 karat solid yellow gold. This is the shorter version, 18 inches, and it retails for $285. As the name suggests, it's a pretty simple chain design. I've definitely seen this before and actually reminds me of Cartier's Santos Dumont. But I don't think it's original to Cartier either. They also carry a larger, so they carry a longer version of this. I think it's about 24 inches, also in the same material. And then on the men's section, they have the larger chain, which is the scale's larger, and they have it, I think, in sterling silver, oxidized sterling silver, which has a much dark gray color to it. And they offer it in gold too, but it's only as vermeil, which is 18 karat gold. It's a plating over sterling silver. But this is one of their more popular items, and I tried it on and I thought it worked pretty well, just kind of as a simple necklace. And I think because it's simple, it's versatile, and I think the shorter one works for me because if I'm going to wear a necklace, I probably actually would put it inside my shirt if it dangles down further than the neckline. So it has a simple lobster claw clasp and then a tag of the Mejuri logo. This one is adjustable because you can use the clasp basically on any of the chains. But since this is already on the shorter side, you can't really make it that much shorter. I like that this kind of catches the light because it's like a flattened chain. If you had a magnifying glass, you would be able to see that the edges are like sharp 90 degrees. They're not rounded. So that's what gives you, when I'm turning it, that's what gives you these reflections. This came with a travel pouch and also a dust bag for the box. I probably won't really use this for the necklace, but this is handy if you're going to be traveling it with it, or if you're going to store it, I'd probably just use the smaller pouch. And then I'm just going to quickly show you what it looks like on. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and check out my page on Instagram for more photos. Thanks again, and I hope to see you in my next video.